What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing some new wheels. This is a very random plan on the GTI here. So these are the wheels. We're not going to show you how they look just yet, but we got some hub-centric rings because these ones are not hub-centric. So we got these rings to make them fit on the car itself.
Can't wait. I'm really excited for this. It's long overdue.
But yeah, so we should get these on pretty easily. And then they actually came from Fitment Industries. That's where you ordered them from. Comes with the tires, comes with all the lug nuts that you need. This car doesn't have TPMS sensors, so you didn't need that. But now just getting the car jacked up, getting them on the wheel, on the car, and then that's it. So we actually tried this a few days ago, and unfortunately we didn't have the rings at that time, so we noticed that they don't fit on the car. So we ordered these. These came in, we ordered these off Amazon, so they were pretty cheap, but we got the plastic ones, or the hard plastic, just so the metal doesn't seize onto the hub like the metal ones usually do. And now these should fit right into the center of the wheel just like that, and should also fit onto the hub right here. So looks like it's a perfect fit, and now the wheel should be able to sit on this, not move around when you're driving, because without these, it's pretty scary and you get a lot of vibration. So you definitely want to order these if your hubs don't match up. Honestly, that looks really good. Go ahead, I'll let you lower it and we'll see how it looks. Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, dude, but
now you need to lower the car. Oh my God, that's such a big gap.
yeah.
That is too big, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, overall, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Like 10 times better than stock. But why does it look like it's sitting higher than the factory setup? Is it not? Can't forget that.
Can't forget these. My uncoordinated.
Come on, buddy. There we go. Good job. Oh, see, that looks really good.
Yeah.
With the red brake caliper. All right, on to the next one. Look at this rookie. Look at this rookie. Look at him struggling.
I'm not struggling.
Struggling. He's struggling. Honestly, it's way too cold out here, so I'm just gonna sit in the garage and let him work. It is his car, you know? I'm just supervising the project. If anyone's wondering, the rings that we got were actually a 73.1 millimeter outer diameter and then a 57.1 inner diameter. 57.1 is the hub size for the car itself, and then the 73.1 is the hub for the wheels. So if you're looking to get these same exact wheels off Fitment Industries, you are gonna need to buy this. And it's cheap, it's like 10 bucks off Amazon. You can literally buy it from Amazon, from eBay. Really, you can find them anywhere, but you are gonna need these. Otherwise, the car's gonna be vibrating like crazy and the wheels will never sit properly flush on the car itself. So one thing about this man, Saho, is that he does not clean his car. This car is always so dirty. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys.
Oh, come on, you don't, okay.
This is the brake caliper that we cleaned 1 week ago. So it's not too dirty, right? It got some cleaning last week after like an entire year.
Not entire year. Let's not like.
This is his brake caliper right now. Look how dirty and grimy this thing is.
They're hard to reach.
Even like, you don't know how to drive, buddy.
Yeah.
Don't do these to the new wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go ahead and clean these real quick. car looks really good. The car looks really good, honestly. Like now it just needs to be lowered a little bit, but
A lot.
what do you think?
I love it. I like the fitment and everything. It needs to be lowered though.
Yeah, it needs to be lowered. And the backs can come out just a little bit more. Like I would say
Maybe a little bit.
a 5 mil, 10 mil spacer maybe, and then once it gets lowered, I think it will be perfect. But the fronts sit really well. The wheels turn right now, but you can't tell. But the front is pretty flush. It looks really good. Overall, I think it was a good choice with the wheel design and with the color of the car. The car looks so much nicer now. But next week, right back to the regular scheduled programming of the E30. We got new tail lights, or we're gonna be installing the old tail lights, but we got some new hardware, new gaskets for all of that. We got some new drain plugs or blind plugs for all the floor pans. And then we're also gonna try polishing up the paint a little bit. It's super dirty. There's swirl marks everywhere in the paint. So we're gonna clean it, clay it, try polishing it, and then hopefully get the new tail lights or the old tail lights back into the car and make it look nice. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Quick short one, fun little install on the GTI.
Yep.
We honestly had to take the downpipes off.
Yeah.
He got a ticket.
I got pulled over. The cop. I wasn't even pulling, and he was like, $12 ticket with points or repair order. I was like, take it off.
Yeah, so that struggle that we had getting that downpipe in, gone to waste.
Don't worry, we got stuff coming. We got coilovers on the cargo top, maybe white body. End of this here.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.